In this video, we're going to talk about evaluating functions. What does that mean? It means you're given a function, for example, f of x is equal to 4x minus 2, and they want you to find f of x when x is equal to 2 and when x is equal to 3. So we have to evaluate this function for two x values. And this is what you do. You take f of x, you write f of x is equal to 4x minus 2. Now, if you want to know what f of x is when x is equal to 2, then let's do x equal to 2 first. This is what you do. If x is equal to 2, I'm going to substitute this 2 wherever there's an x. So f of 2, because now x is 2, okay? And remember, this is a label. This is not something we're going to evaluate. We're just labeling it, saying that, look, what I'm going to evaluate now is this function for an x value of 2. And that equals 4 times x. But x is 2. So I'm going to write 2, and then minus, minus, and that 2. That's after the minus. And now we evaluate it. 4 times 2, 8, minus 2. And that equals 6. So my final answer here is that the function evaluated when x is equal to 2, the function will equal 6. And this is your answer. Now, I want to know how much the function value will be when x is equal to 3. So take the original function again. F of x is equal to 4x minus 2. And now wherever there's an x, I'm going to write 3. So this will be f of 3 is equal to 4 times 3 minus 2. And that equals 12 minus 2, because 4 times 3 is 12. And that equals 10. So f of 3 is equal to 10. That means when I evaluate this function for an x value of 3, I will get a 10. And I want to show you an illustration of what a function is. A function, you can think of a function as a machine. It's an input-output machine. And I'm going to show you with an illustration. Here is the input-output machine. Notice how inside this box, or inside this machine, is the function we're evaluating. F of x is equal to 4x minus 2. Now, the x value that we're evaluating, that's the input, okay? So we're going to drop this number inside the box. The number will go inside of this function and change its value, and it's going to spit out a new number, okay? So for an x value of 2, which is your input for this machine, this is what happens. 2 goes inside, and what comes out? Well, that 2 that came inside the box came over here to where x is, and it multiplied itself times 4 to get 8, and then we subtracted 2, and a 6 should spit out. So here's what comes out. A 6 comes out. So I have an input of 2 and an output of 6. Now let's see when x is equal to 3. Again, I drop the 3 inside the box. That's my input. It goes inside the box, and it's going to change. How does it change? Well, x equal to 3 will drop right here where the x is. 4 times 3, 12, minus 2, 10. So a 10 should pop out, and that 10 is the output. And there you have the illustration. I hope this helps. This is what you should be thinking about anytime we're evaluating functions. The input is your x value, and the output is the function evaluated for that x value. I'll see you in class.